Let's clip up with sign language and prepositions. So how do you teach kids who are deaf or hard of hearing or maybe nonverbal about prepositions with sign language? Well, I'm going to be showing you that right now, okay? And then I'm going to give you ideas. And we'll review some vocabulary. So here are the worksheets you're going to use. These are found at ASLTeachingResources.com. You can find the whole packet in the pre-K curriculum. This is Unit 3. This is over 100 pages. Amazing resource. So these are the signs that are involved in the resource right here. You can see these, right? All right, so we are looking at taking this back out with clip-ups. Okay, so let's go ahead and give you a few ideas that we're going to use with these. These can be used for independent practice. So if you're busy or the child is finished with their work, you can go ahead and hand them this and then they can just practice on themselves. Another one is differentiation. So meaning you can cut all of these out and then give them a stack of these with different concepts in and out. So maybe opposites, and they have to pick which one and understand that. The next one is you could have a race, so use a game to where maybe they partner up. Maybe you are working 2-on-1 with the students, and then they can try to race each other, right? And trying to see who can answer and finish the stack first. Now these are available in sign language, English, and Spanish. This whole packet is going to be really huge. And we are looking at prepositions here. You could also like set up stations, and in the stations the kids can then rotate practicing their preposition words, okay? And again, these are going to be available like in a poster. This is a whole packet. And where is the pumpkin? And then they get so many different options to be able to review and practice the preposition words. You could also have maybe play bingo in a way with that. You could have practice partners. And my one that I really like a lot is involve the kids. Maybe let them be in control if they're partnering up, and they tell the other person, find the pumpkin that's in. Okay, and then they have to do it, and they can rotate. But you can also have them create sentences. Yes, sentences. So you can have, maybe the kid has, let's look at this grocery cart right here. Right here. And so the pumpkin is in the grocery cart. So maybe they can imagine going to the grocery store, and then they can tell a story themselves. I like going to the grocery store and finding a pumpkin and then putting it in my cart. Okay, little things like that. They don't have to sign everything, and maybe I don't know all the signs, but if you're doing this with older students, you can. Let's go ahead and let's review some vocabulary here. So you're going to be able to see these sheets right here, and we're going to show you kind of what they look like. So different, we have different objects, different icons that this pumpkin is going to be put. And you can see it goes on down. And if we move down even further, you'll be able to see that these are also available. Here is an English version with only English. And then when you scroll down more, let's see here, we have it in Spanish, yay! So again, it's going to be available in 3 different versions to teach prepositions. Okay, so now let's go ahead and we're going to review these words right here so that you can see these. So in these posters or charts, you'll be able to see they're in English, again in Spanish, as well as sign language. We have the icon version, and let me show you like this, and then we have the sign language version. So let's go ahead and review with the sign language version here, okay? And we're going to go ahead and work on these. So here we go. And here's the picture, and then I'm going to put this down and go ahead and review these with you. So the first one is in, like this, in. Then the opposite is out, easy, in, out. Next one is on. The opposite would be off, okay? On and off. Then we have, coming on up, we're going to have below or beneath. Now if we did above, same thing, circle up here, and that's for above. Okay, now we want the word over. Over, and then under is the opposite. Under. All right, let's come back down to this one here. Give me a second. Then we have behind. So you're like this and you're behind. And the opposite is in front. Next to, between, and through. Okay, there is your vocabulary. Now, I am also going to be doing another vocabulary with these. One moment, I'll show you. So another video, I will be reviewing all the icons that are in this lesson. That way you have the power to know how to sign everything, okay? So if you see an umbrella, we'll show you that. The bed will show you that. You have a window, curtains, whatever. So that way you can sign with the kids and you can pick up more vocabulary as well. All right, so have fun with this clip up. All right, ASLTeachingResources.com. And just enjoy doing this with the children. All right, and help us spread the word. Be sure and share ASLTeachingResources.com on your Facebook group. Thank you.